fast. Nicholas, pay attention, stop daydreaming. You can go down the street and then turn around. Go. Go. Bumpy road. Okay, they're not here anymore. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the regular park to do the frisbees. Just wanted to check on them. This is our sea bay. Look. The world thing. Go over there so I can get a picture of that real quick, because that's not on my Facebook anymore. Good, okay, that's good. Okay, we usually now, going back is a little bit different. We stay on the sidewalk, pretty much all the way back to the fountain. What's going on? What's hurting?
I'm hitting my leg on the pedal.
Oh. Oh, funny chick, man. I gotta say. That's my daughter hits it from. Yeah, funny chick. There's a whole thing that if you there's a hidden trail back there. Even over here there's a hidden trail. Sometimes what we do is we ride through here. You hear me? We're getting out. There's a lot of dump over here. Let's go. That's a kid on a bike, Nick. Come on, Nick, move.